challenge in longer version. So umpisa na natin sa supportive. So yung word namin guys is dako-dako. Yeah. So it means in Tagalog is ang laki. Like, alright, start na tayo. Supportive. Dako-dako, yeah.
Dako yan.
Lol. next. Disappointed. Dako-dako, yeah.
Ano man disappointed? Dako yan.
Next, sarcastic. Dako-dako, yeah.
Further. Sarcastic. Dako yan.
Last is wait, ito man.
30.
Next is very dako, yeah.
Dako yan.
Okay, so that's the end of our video.
Bye.
Bye.